Welcome to the garden. Come and sing with me. Let's try the alphabet, growing A to Z. B is for apple, red and brown. B is for bees, buzzing all around. C is for carrot, crunchy to chew. D is for daisy, white with dew. E is for elephant, watering with his nose. F is for flowers in pretty rows. G is for grass, green and tall. H is for hummingbird, tiny and small. I is for ivy, climbing so high. J is for jumping bugs, leaping to the sky. K is for kite, flying with the breeze. L is for ladybug, resting on the leaves. N is for mango, sweet and bright. N is for nest, tucked in tight. O is for orange, juicy and round. P is for petals falling on the ground. Q is for quail, walking by. R is for rainbow, shining in the sky. S is for sun, giving warmth to all. T is for tulips, standing tall. U is for umbrella, tree with shade. V is for vines in the garden laid. Title is for water, watering the bed. X is for xylophone, bugs tapping red. I is for yellow, sunflowers that grow. C is for zinnia in a pretty row. Now we've sung our ABC in the rainbow garden. Come and play with me. ABC, come sing along. Letters in the garden, a rainbow song.
Thanks for watching.